Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Okay, today we are going to be discussing an important strategy to trade the volatility index, all of them, right? Okay, if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, okay, and hit on the bell notification beside the subscribe button so that you get notified once a new video is uploaded. Okay, yeah, what are we going to teach today? How you can use this simple setup to make the market. If you have been losing in boom and crash, then you have to try this strategy. It is one of the best strategy I've ever used. Okay, now but it also works both on boom and crash and volatility indexes. Okay, but I use this mostly on volatility index. Right, now let us check out how it works. Okay, let's check out how the setup work. All right, and once again, if you want to join our public group on Telegram or our channel on Telegram, you can kindly check on this video description. You will see the link to our Telegram group or our Telegram channel. Join there and you will interact with other great traders and get free signals when it's available. Okay, you can also follow HumbleFx on YouTube, on Facebook rather. On Facebook, you could check on the video the description. You will see the link to the Facebook page. Okay, follow us on Facebook page, like the page, and share as well as you want. Okay, and also comment experience with HumbleFx in this video description. After you apply the strategy, come back and give us a feedback how it works for you, how effective it was. Okay, and we'll be glad that you did so. Now let us go to the setup. First of all, right, uh let me remove the window indicator because I don't think I will need it. Now first of all, you are going to get go to RSI. All right, check on the okay, this setup, we did it last time in our last strategy when we talked about the setup. The last video we did about this one. Okay, so what this one is what we're about to look at right now, this the window indicator 2. So go to your F button, your indicator button, sorry for that. Okay, you go to but anyway, let us do it afresh. First of all, go to your RSI. This is your window indicator 1. Okay, RSI, we have the period is 14. Apply to close. Style, I choose pixel. You can choose any color of your choice, and the color here should be your background color. Okay, I'm using white background, so here should be my background color, white. Okay, now the levels is this. The levels is 10, 90, 10, 50, 20, 80. This is the levels for this uh RSI, and you click on done. Now the next thing here, we'll have to be adding our MACD. Our MACD, this the fast AMA is 12, the slow AMA is 26, MACD SMA is 5. Apply to close, and the colors of the styles I choose like this. You can choose any other color of your choice. All right, now you click on done. Now after that, you should have something in this nature, something like this should be on your chart. All right, now let us go back to the next indicator level, which is this simple one. Okay, you go back to that, we have this stochastic oscillator. All right, there we have the stochastic oscillator. The K period is 1, the D period is 1, the slow one is 1, price feed is low slash high. Method is simple, and the styles should be all your background colors. We don't want it to show, we just need the levels. We don't want these colors to show, both the main and the signal. You can put them one pixel, and the color should be your background color. All right, now the levels, we have the level of 20, the level of 80, and the level of 50. Okay, that's very simple. Then you click on done. Okay, then the next thing you should be there, we have add another RSI. Our RSI is a period of 8. A period of 8, apply to close. Then we'll have the style. We choose here we'll have the color given. I choose black. You can choose any color of your choice. Here, this one has no level because we are used the stochastic oscillator to make the levels, so there's no need to put levels in this one. All right, you only allow the color to show in this particular one. Remember the last one we did not put color here, but this one we want to put color. You can put any color of your choice and everything. Then you click on done. If you have done that, congratulations, you are here, and you should have something like this, something in this nature. Okay, you should have something in this nature. So how does we use this? How do we use it? We are no, this is RSI. RSI is one of the best indicator ever. Is okay. It does not repaint easily. Why others can repaint, this RSI cannot repaint easily. Now this is what the first things we need to look at. Sorry about this. And then the want to talk about the time frame. If you want to trade this setup, you're going to be using 30 minutes time frame. Okay, 30 minutes time frame is what is recommended. You could use 15 minutes time frame. Okay, or you could use 5 minute time frame, but I recommend 30 minutes. All right, now the zoom level is not having a particular zoom level actually, but I zoom out and in to confirm trades anyway. But for the static, to tell you the static zoom level, the zoom level is once from the lower zoom level, zoom out once and twice. So this is the zoom level. Actually, this is the actual zoom level. Okay, now let us talk about how it work. All right, sorry, let me use an arrow to be showing you the entries and exits. Now the first entry is that this RSI is touching level of 20. Okay, the RSI should be touching level of 20 for a buying opportunity. You see that it touches level of 20. All right, okay, so we are using this other window one to just as a confluence, actually not as a confluence. Okay, this one too should be the gold line, which is the should also be at level curving up. See that? Now this one level, but this is our most interest. This is our main interest. The RSI is our main interest. This is just to use to confirm as a confluence. Okay, now at this point we should enter our trade. At this point that it touches it, we should enter our trade. All right, and when we enter our trade, we'll go on the level of 50 that take profit. Once the level of 50, and we see the RSI turning backward like this, at this a little turn back, you take your profit. The level 50 is your first take profit. The level of 80 is your second take profit. Okay, TP1 and TP2 for buy opportunity. This level 50 is your first take profit, which I recommend. Okay, then the TP2 is your level of 80 where you sell. Okay, now with TP you enter your market right from this level of 20, and you take it to level of 50 and you TP. So sometimes you don't want to reach the level of 50 before you take profit. It depends on your account equity and how the market structure is. Now see another entry here, guys. See it here as well. There is a market is touching the level of 20 here, and this one has come to the level of the curving down at this point. So we should enter our trade, and our take profit is level of 50 here. Okay, even though here is the range market, but we still make our small profit there. All right, these things happens mostly all the time. It happens. Remember, you are taking this trade on your 30-minute time frame. Okay, remember this is V75. Don't check any other pair to test run it. Let us check V25. Okay, let's check V25. This one is not is hanging. Oh. Let's check on that one as well. 25x 25x. So I took this trade yesterday. I took it yesterday, but I exited so early. I entered the market right from here, and I take profit at the first when the first candle was closed. At least with a low equity, it gave me up to $3. It's not something small. I don't know why. Maybe it's my network or so. It's not moving. I need to see if we can take a live trade while we are going, but I don't know why it's not showing up. Okay, no, this is not a good trade. It's not a good trade, but at least you could see our entry point here. We entered the point. We entered here. You enter here, guys, and you take your profit. Even if you did not wait for it to reach the level of 50, you should have taken profit, no loss. Guys, this is best for look at it here. Look at another perfect entry. The market has come to the level of 20. This one also is at the level of 10 or 20 curving upward. Okay, and this one is already here. We have a confluence here. We have a confluence of two meeting up. So you enter the market and you take your profit just level of 50. See that you can enter the market here and you have gone a long way. Look at this is V25X, and it is very fast and very volatile. Okay, so you should have taken your profit easy. Right, guys, these things happens. It happens always. It happens very, very much always. All right, let's check now the crash and boom index. Since this is index, let's just check crash 1000. Okay, it works both on crash also. If you are taking a crash, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that level of 20 here. You sure we have met all this. Look, one candle here means 30 minutes. Remember that, and you should not even stay up to that. If you enter the market here, you should have made some big profits right here. Okay, so it happens and it works really good. If we want to get more signals in this boom and crash, you can choose to trade on the 5-minute time frame. For boom and crash, I said for boom and crash only, you could choose to be trading only but 5-minute time frame or 5 or 15-minute time frame. You could see it here. You see it here, and you will not be staying long in market if you use this level. You see it here. It touches the level of 10 here, 20 here. Okay, guys, and you enter the market right from the touch, and you see what happened. You have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 before the spike happened, and it came back to the profit again. But for you to be on the safe side, once it has met on the 5-minute time frame, just take three candles of 4, and you are off. That 3 candles of 4 is not a small stay. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, and you are off. Before this spike will happen, you are already off. Okay, now again you see it here also met here. The spike happened and it met here. You enter here and you make 1, 2, 3. Guys, don't joke with this. The RSI is actually a very powerful indicator. RSI does not repent easily. Okay, you could see also here. You see also here, guys, it has met here and it has met here also, and look at it here. It gave us a bound. Remember, each candle here is 5-minute time frame. You can take 3 to 4 and you go away, guys. That is awesome. Now see another entry here. First entry, we have entry here. Let us check what happened there. We had entry here, this point here. Let me use arrow. Maybe this one will make you understand better. Okay, we had entry. Sorry about that. Don't mind me, please. Sometimes it's like that. We had entry here first, and we have entry here. Okay, and look at what it gave us. From here, we entered here. We take 1, 2, 3, and you go away, or even 4. You go away. First one at the point you have another entry here, which is somewhere here. You enter after the spike, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you go away. Okay, also we had another entry, guys. Another entry here. Another entry, we had entry. This spike happened here. We enter here, 1, 2, 3. If it had caught us here, we should have waited, and look at it. Gave us boom, guys. So check boom 1000 for 1000. Okay, look at it. This one now has not. This one, if you are to take it, is a perfect entry because it's a price action trade. Look at it, has given us. Let me now draw. Apart from this setup, it has given us a double top here. See that? That's a entry for you. So let us enter this trade now. Let's enter this trade, guys. Let's enter this trade. Oh, 2.5. I like 2.5. Let's enter that trade. Okay, now this is our trade. We have entered it. Why did we enter it? We don't enter it because of any of these things here. We entered it because of the double top here. We have seen double top at this point. So our stop loss should be when it should spike above this top, this red line. That's our stop loss, when it should spike above that red line. Our TP should be when it has hit somewhere around here. For the first TP we should be tipping around here. Okay, around here, or when it break down this level, this zone here. Okay, because there's already a zone there. Let me draw it again. So you should also learn price action here in that zone. Until it breaks out this zone, I will sell more, but now I will just sell from zone to zone until it breaks out the zone. Okay, so that is how we do it. All right, now let us check for our setup to where you should now see it here. See something here, guys. It has meets here. The spike has happened and it's at touching level of 80 here. So if we enter the sell, this small spike caught us, but then it's already at the level of, it's still in not above 80. We should enter the market. We should see hold the market and look at it. Came down to our profit and give us our 3 candles or 4 candles and we'll go away. Okay, it happens always, guys. It happens always. Look, see on that entry here, it has come up to this point, spike. We enter for 3 candles or 4. Where is it? All right, so this is very, very, very awesome, guys. It works both boom and crash, stepping index, all of these volatility index that you trade. It works on all of them. You only need to be patient enough to find the entries to trade. Okay, if we see another entry here, we should take another live trade. Let me check if we see another entry so that we can take a live trade using the setup. No, this one has not met any set. It has not met it. It has not met. Let's go check 100. It's already started moving. Oh no. Oh, all these things, we are not seeing a perfect match to trade now. No one to trade now, guys. Okay, next video we might be doing a live trade on this setup only. Okay, guys, please, I want you to comment on this video, use it and give me feedback on how it will work for you and all that, so we can help others to use it. All right, this is HumbleFx, guys, signing out. Enjoy your day.